Hello, my dearest friends. Annyeonghaseyo. Bonjour. Kumusta va? Kifkon. How are you? Kumusta po kayo? Welcome and thank you for visiting here on my channel. This is Ambisyosa Josa, your host. And on this video, I want to share to you how to make this beautiful magical cake. I say magical because it really brings magic to the receiver, and magical because it is kind of easy to make like magic. I want to create a very special present that would captivate my friend on her birthday. An idea came to my thoughts. Why not create a fun and uniquely designed cake that stands out in a way that sets lifetime memories? A present with X factor that would just blow her away, that would surprise her entirely, and that would bring smiles and shines on her eyes. I am not a cake designer, but an idea came to my thoughts. I want to create a present, something she needs or wants, but don't really know it. And so I made this lush, succulent, super delicious cake with actual, real, live succulents to make a statement and bring some playfulness to her birthday celebration. Continue watching, friends, so you would see how simple it is to make. No baking, no oven, no mess. Quick, delicious, beautiful cake. Just some little fun and creativity, and you will make your friend very happy on her born day celebration. I got this supreme moist, super fluffy white butter cake rich with crumbs of coconut intense flavor from Labrador. This is my most favorite cake. Again and again, this bakery never stops to amaze me with all its products. Its freshness, authenticity, and taste. And the most obvious advantage of buying this delicious pre-made cake is that it allows me to save time. Looking at these succulent desserts, the succulents are actually real and alive. Happy birthday, dear SP the Queen.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, pretty lady.
Thank you guys.
Blow. Parang kang fairy ba? Once again, thank you for watching this video. I hope that it brought you a hint of inspiration. Please, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, and if you think it is beneficial for others to watch it, please share. More power to you.